How to make specific group disappear messages on 90 days on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make specific group disappear messages on 90 days on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then go to your group and click on it and click on group profile here and scroll down until you find the disappearing messages. Click on it and here just click this one, 90 days, and after you click on it just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.